The 2026 Ford Focus arrives as the next chapter in one of Ford's most successful and recognizable nameplates, blending modern technology, efficiency, and practicality with a refreshed design that continues to appeal to a wide audience. For decades, the Focus has been celebrated as a versatile compact car, known for its balance of affordability, enjoyable driving dynamics, and everyday usability. With the 2026 model, Ford builds upon this legacy by introducing enhancements in performance, connectivity, and sustainability, ensuring the Focus remains relevant in an evolving automotive market where drivers demand more from their vehicles than ever before. From the outside, the 2026 Focus adopts a sharper, more dynamic design that reflects Ford's new global styling language. Its bold front fascia features a wider grille, slimmer LED headlights, and sculpted lines that give the car a more premium and athletic presence. The profile is sleek yet practical, with aerodynamic elements that not only enhance efficiency but also add to its sporty appeal. The rear showcases updated LED taillights, a redefined bumper, and subtle accents that elevate its modern character. Customers will be able to choose from multiple trims, including the stylish titanium, sporty ST line, and performance-oriented Focus ST, each offering distinct design cues to suit different tastes. Inside, the 2026 Focus takes a significant leap forward in technology and comfort. The cabin is more refined than ever, with improved materials, ergonomic seating, and a layout designed to maximize both driver engagement and passenger comfort. The centerpiece is Ford's latest Sync infotainment system, housed in a large, high-resolution touchscreen with intuitive controls, smartphone integration, and advanced navigation. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, while higher trims add features such as a premium audio system, digital instrument cluster, and enhanced voice control. Rear passengers benefit from additional legroom thanks to clever interior packaging, while the cargo area remains practical enough for daily errands and weekend adventures. Under the hood, the 2026 Focus offers a range of efficient and dynamic powertrains designed to meet diverse customer needs. Standard models are expected to come with Ford's proven EcoBoost engines, providing a balance of performance and fuel efficiency. Mild hybrid technology makes its way into more trims, improving economy while lowering emissions. For those who prioritize sustainability, a plug-in hybrid version will likely be available, offering electric-only driving for shorter trips without sacrificing overall range. Meanwhile, enthusiasts will find plenty to love in the Focus ST, which is anticipated to deliver sharp handling, turbocharged power, and performance-focused features that keep the model at the forefront of hot hatch culture. Driving dynamics remain a strong point for the 2026 Focus, with precise steering, well-tuned suspension, and a chassis designed to deliver both comfort and agility. Ford's engineering ensures that whether navigating tight city streets, cruising on the highway, or tackling winding back roads, the Focus offers an engaging and confident experience. Advanced driver assistance features come standard, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automated emergency braking, reinforcing Ford's commitment to safety. Higher trims and optional packages add semi-autonomous driving capabilities, making long journeys more relaxed and stress-free. The 2026 Focus also positions itself as a value-driven choice in the compact car market. Despite offering advanced features and a more premium feel, it remains competitively priced, making it accessible to a wide range of buyers, from young professionals and small families to driving enthusiasts seeking a well-rounded compact car. Its combination of practicality, modern styling, innovative technology, and engaging performance ensures the Focus continues to stand out in a segment filled with strong competitors. Overall, the 2026 Ford Focus represents a thoughtful evolution of an iconic model, striking the right balance between tradition and innovation. It maintains the qualities that have always made the Focus popular: reliability, efficiency, and fun-to-drive character, while embracing new trends in electrification, connectivity, and safety. With its refreshed design, advanced features, and versatile range of powertrains, the 2026 Focus is well positioned to meet the needs of today's drivers and remain a compelling choice in the global compact car market.